Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate J.Lo theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on this update. So once you complete that step, you need to go back and open Instagram application and log in into your account and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation, click on the name of your business or person name and click on theme. And from here, you need to select J.Lo. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.